So now during dinner time at this Seong Huat, they have this very nice Asian cook style of dishes. It seems like it's very famous also. Let's check out. I see. Đây hủ quay mà hả? Wow. Nó phần ní hào. Ní hào. Wow. Good.
这里 Belacan 鸡呢是外卖 recipe 嘅。
Thắng rồi.
這個大呢？
先人隻個大呢啦。
這個大呢？
very good 哦，我一齊嘅了。
Curry because 會流冷比較簡單嘛。都講 curry 冇簡單呢。
咖喱冇簡單呢。
冇簡單。
very good.
You guys can enjoy, can finish up the soup, everything, gravy, everything.
哇，水啊，OK。Today we are at Jalan Larut here, Seong Huat.
Okay.
And I heard that the char, the Asian dishes is very good also.
Yes, that's why just now you said that. This grandmother's recipe.
Like.
See how it's like?
Like, brother.
Wow, this is good, huh?
It's good,
This is good now. The belacan is good now.
Thằng đó.
Prawn curry, from what I know is there's no santan. It's excellent. Ooh la la.
How's the yếm?
Delicious.
Delicious
One of the best so far.
Yếm này,
Yam, the grouper too. And then yam is very tasty. Yeah, very tasty.
Oh, so good.
Bupok, very nice.
Very nice.
Very, you seldom get this from the other stalls. This is the first time I'm taking from this, and then this is the first time taking.
This is Cantonese is called ham yu ba lam po.
It's very nice.
So I'm now checking out this Heong. Heong, this is I think this is a Thai style lah. Thai style spiciness. They cook with this kappa and also the squid. It's not too spicy, very appetizing. Exciting. Oh, this is good. Wow, hold on. Mr. Johnny.
Yeah, this the tofu what tasted very nice, just smooth.
Yeah,
smooth. Then you have it make the flavor up. Very nice.
Make the flavor up lah. Oh, so good.
The bitter gourd. Perfect match with the eggs. The egg should not be too cooked, but this is good.
Good Alright, you yummy.
Yeah, the veggie is very nice. It's soft. And and it comes with
Top with the
top with
salted egg.
salted egg. Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yeah. All the way from Australia.
Yeah.